Today, we will be disassembling the center console on a 3rd generation Camaro. Start by removing the shifter button and spring. Remove the retaining clip and pull the shifter knob off. Take out all the Torx screws, then unplug the light. Remove the 4 bolts in the center console glove box. Unscrew and remove the parking brake handle. And then slowly pull up on the center console. Once you have room, remove the trunk and window switch plugs from underneath the console. The parking brake needs to be nearly vertical in order to remove the console. I removed my console to unstick the 1990 through 1992 self-adjusting parking brake. A quick spray with graphite lubricant fixes the sticky lever. Go ahead and reinstall the center console, ensuring to plug the controls back in, and then test the windows and trunk before proceeding. Thanks for watching this short video. Please subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And be on the lookout for a lot of videos in the next coming weeks.